capital na enunti na nanoma trankonwa bedwako ye wonkra kropom ha Mechega Traditional Council no wo mo abodwadata ya wodisia Director General Edema United Nations Educational Scientific and Cultural Organization ye chaniti ase UNESCO penyin His Excellency Audrey Azoulay na wasi anobabua pa no mo penyin yakwa abeya sa ma mabunu no ehunu mfasode ye wo akenkan so.
President and Director General Woda UNESCO ano abepa Accra Book Capital Jumedie ewontoma ye beboa ama akenkan akoso ewo Ghana suku ahodo mu oman Ghana na ye oman ye wayi no se afi UNESCO World Book Capital Jumedie ni sine naso a eba so ewo enkran ni senti gamanche edi Director General Woda UNESCO ano esi akonwa so awobo no abaso Abu Rahman Diallo ene ye nipa obejina mukasa edema Director General Woda UNESCO ano no cherese weni so abasobodi agamanche edi ama womo se wotimi aboa ama World Book Capital aba oman Ghana enkran.
So on behalf of the delegation, on behalf of the Director General, we wish to reiterate our gratitude. We wish to assure you that the cooperation with the Ga state will continue as it has been reminded earlier, and we wish also to congratulate warmly the city of Accra and all the Ga people for hosting this prestigious and unique program, the Accra World Book Capital.
Enwechi ena gamanche ni te kochuro tosumi enufa sa kwanya no so editor Ghana Education Service enim se won hwe se wo bechere Ghana dambe ewo suku biye mu ewo enkran.
The invasion of other cultures into this region has practically affected our ethnicity and language as a whole. It is a challenge as a language defines our ethnicity as a people. We ask that the will of the Ministry of Education to insist that the GS ensures that Ga and Dangbe is taught in every school, and that it applies to both the private and public schools in the region.
Nekrakra ena waswafa bedi echa wono ene hyenwumesua so Reverend John Intim Fojo ebo UNESCO abaso so etimi edi se adwumadi Kasee aba oman Ghana mu a ebeboa atradisua mu ewo omanyi mu
eya adekase ede maye ewo ye mofroi enwumasuam ewo akenkan mu enya mofranko a empenifo akenkan mu enwuma ye tro se de kane no na ama tedu ene efo mahugbe ene efo Sutherland no etrotro enwuma ma yetintim ede ko miamia hodo kokenkan no eba besemu kina oye omampani His Excellency na nado danko Akufo-Addo said de bia no nemsese emu no oh yes the local printing and book industry no betumi apeja na ejina na yetumi atro nwoma ama yetimamfo yede bi mpakwa ama no ne no mo akenkan no sa Accra World Book Capital yi eba besemu kina